So in today's video, let's find out if it's possible to connect your BlackShark V2 Pros to an Android phone using the dongle. So I'm gonna grab an Android phone. This is a Samsung phone, which is obviously Android. And of course, this one does not have a full-size USB port for this dongle. So we're going to use an OTG adapter. So we have this OTG adapter, which I'll connect the dongle to, and then the dongle with the adapter to the Android phone. Okay. Now, as soon as you plug it in, you can already tell that it's going to get connected or it's connected already because this ones will light up with a green light. And that means we're already connected. I'm going to play some audio just to confirm. So I can actually confirm that this works. And yeah, it does work. Of course, it's probably the most inconvenient way to use these headphones, especially considering you can connect them via Bluetooth without this dongle. But they work, in case you're wondering. Thanks for watching, and good luck.